Welcome back to another episode of 3 Minutes with Jesus. So for today's episode, we will talk about the life and journey of Joseph the Dreamer. We can find his story in the book of Genesis. So first, let us talk about Joseph's struggle during his journey, his life. So first, he was betrayed by his own brothers because they hated him and they were jealous of him. He was also sold as a slave sa mga Midianites hanggang sa napunta siya at binenta rin siya kay Potiphar. And hindi doon nag-end yung struggles ni Joseph because he was even imprisoned because of his master's wife. He was wrongly accused. Siya ay nakulong kahit siya ay inosente. And during his imprisonment,
He was imprisoned in the king's prison. So during his imprisonment, yun yung naging way para maganap yung purpose niya. Because he was able to interpret Pharaoh's dream. And after he interpreted Pharaoh's dream, he became the second highest ranking official sa buong Egypt. Now, what can we learn sa journey ni Joseph in our lives as a Christian? So, Joseph's journey, yung painful journey na naranasan ni Joseph, prepared him and were steps towards his purpose. So, yun yung naging onting-onting step papunta sa purpose niya. Yung mga suffering na naranasan ni Joseph was a preparation for the greater purpose that God prepared for him.
and just like Joseph, si Jesus din na nagkatawang tao siya dito sa lupa. He was also rejected, he was also betrayed, he was misunderstood, and he even suffered even though he was innocent. And another similarities ni Joseph and Jesus, kahit na dumana sila ng mga suffering na gano'n, na trials, they both trusted God's plan in their lives. So, para sa ating lahat, when life gets confusing, when it is tough, when parang hindi na natin naiintindihan kung ano yung nangyayari sa ating buhay. Let us remember the life of Joseph, his journey, and also remember that even Jesus himself had his own suffering sa journey niya dito sa lupa. So let us not give up and let us always trust God's plan in our life. Kaya let us remember that God has a plan for us and He will use every season of our life to fulfill His beautiful plan for us.
And so, kaya let us trust the journey that God has already planned for us.
Thank you for being here with us.
And thank you for watching. Bye.
See you next time.